Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Black color, light green color, orange color, grey color, neon color, purple color, green, dark green color and pink color. Let's start. Red color. A for aeroplane. A for apricot. B for butterfly. B for banana. C for carrot. C for candy. D for dog. D for donut. E for egg. E for eggplant. F for frog. F for fish. G for goat. G for girl. Purple color. H for hen. H for house. I for ice cream. I for inkpot. J for jug. J for joker. K for kite. K for king. L for lemon. L for lime. M for mango. M for magic. N for nose. N for neck. Light green color. O for orange. O for owl. P for piano. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for quiz. R for rat. R for ring. S for star. S for sister. T for tomato. T for toast. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for village. V for vegetable. W for water. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about red color, purple color, light green color and orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.